eye floaters in the eyes. If you look, for example, at a bright ceiling or at the sky on a sunny day, you can see small muddy floating flies or sticks or dots in the eyes. If, for example, you raise your eyes up, their position changes and they seem to float. There is nothing terrible in them. There are various small blood clots or various detached particles of the inner surface of the eye. For example, with myopia, the eyeball is squeezed in the middle by spasmodic oblique muscle of the eyes, and the retina is constantly in a compressed state of tension, and a small part could detach. There is nothing to do with them. Regular exercises to lightly stretch the eye muscles will help improve blood circulation and eye regeneration. Improved blood circulation helps to remove various toxins from the body, as well as it helps to dissolve some kind of clothes. It is better to get rid of the spasm of the eye muscles to restore the normal functioning of the eyes and keep the eyes in a relaxed state. If you want a more in-depth, step-by-step proven course to improve your eyesight naturally, join my Eyesight Academy course. The link will be in the description below.